Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle, niyaphila. Danko, I'm going to do a lineup prediction of Kaizer Chiefs versus Magesi FC. We know that recently we defeated them by 2-0, courtesy of the goal scored by Mfundo Vilakazi and Wandile Deuba, our former DDC players. Number one, we know very well ukuthi it's Brendan Peterson. Ubuyile esihlalweni sakhe sobukhosi. That simply means ukuthi uzoqhubeka la agcine khona ngama clean sheet, because we see ukuthi he is vocal, he leads from the back. That's why akwazi ukuthola 14 clean sheets. Lokho kuchaza ukuthi he organizes the defense, he communicates, and also he marshals that defense, and is making sure ukuthi when it matters the most, he saves the team, because the saves that he made, some of them were crucial for the club. So number one, way. Then go left back. You see, if there's a player that I'm very fond with at Chiefs is Bradley Cross, and I'd advocate for him ukuthi aye ku FIFA World Cup, because I've seen his quality and he's going on about silently doing his job. Akadinge ukuthi abe hyped, but he lets his football do the talking. And what else can we expect from a player that was developed from teams afana nabo Newcastle United, Abu Schalke FC from Germany? You see ukuthi vele he has equality development. He's well developed, but asikho lapho will focus on what he's bringing at Chiefs. Defensively, he's very solid. He might lack pace, but the awareness yakhe and the anticipation, it is the one that allows him ukuthi angabe exposed that much. Aerially is good, and he has that technical ability ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abe comfortable on the ball. We can use him as a player that we can start the ball from the back if we want to build from the back. That's what you get from Bradley Cross. And then let's go to left center back. Aaron McCarthy have been a revelation for Kaizer Chiefs. You'd swear that he has been playing with PSL for a while now. It was his first season, but the way he's playing, ngathi experience enzima kabi. But that's what you expect if you are the son of Fabian McCarthy. You have to thrive with excellence. But asikho lapho kakhulu. What is important into ithola ko Aaron McCarthy is that he's comfortable on the ball and he can play those line-breaking passes. That's what I like about him. But he is capable of making those dangerous passes that is going to break the lines and lawa adlula in the middle of the park. Because you know, if they intercept that pass, it's over for the team. But he does them anyway because he believes in his accuracy when it comes to passing range. That's what you get from him. But aerial is also good, because you get that good leap when he jumps. He now understands that he has to time his jumps before he jumps, because before he wasn't, because bombona atuya jump but miscalculate the height of the ball. But now usetlilile, he now understands what are the demands of playing in the top flight football. If Kaizer Chiefs ayibhekanga, ayibazomdraw bamkharisho Aaron McCarthy, because I see Europe teams calling for his name. But okwamanje, let's focus on what he's bringing at NH Arena. Right center back, I thought ukuthi kule game lena esidlalile uTS Galaxy bazobuyisa ivikela Mbuso, but the coach were very adamant with playing Given Msimango. GTZ, General Tata Zonke. I'm one person that is always critical about Given Msimango, because his height mustn't make Kaizer Chiefs to be like prone to ukuthi bazoba kora ngama aerial balls, because mele akwazi kuba there for the team, because he's very tall, and for his height we mele believe ukuthi ngala mabhola la uyo uzokwazi ukuyaclear, even when it comes to ama set pieces, ama dead ball situations. That's where Kaizer Chiefs has to profit, because une height Msimango. But so far akakazithola endaweni ukuthi angakora for Kaizer Chiefs. But I think mangazodlala regularly and as applied the way he applied himself against TS Galaxy, be cool, calm and collected, just follow the game, read the game very well, know when to intercept, when not to intercept, know when to play a short pass, when to play a long pass. That's what we want from him. But most importantly, be resolute at the back, making sure ukuthi he stands firm. Uyirida kahle game, ama-tackles wakhe, the interceptions, the duels in the ground and also in the air are important for him ukuthi angakwazi ukuhlalisa uvikela Mbuso ebenchini, because that's what makes him not look like he's compatible for that right center back position, because bese rely kuNika and Miguel, because we know at least they have that aggression. But if angaqhubeka kanje as apply, I believe ukuthi singakwazi naye ukuthi singamrule out, because people have already lost hope in him. But akulahlwa mbeleko ngakufela. Let's move to a right back. Monyane so far so good, is doing well for Kaizer Chiefs, and I believe if there's one aspect in his game that has improved is defending. Monyane of Orlando Pirates, we know offensively he'll give you 100%, but when it comes to defending, you'll get the bare minimum of 50. Nakhona it's all about marking the space, or abenadathi lakhe ukuthi uthi uyadlula ibhola limchayise. But now he applies himself very well in such a way ukuthi when he has to jump, uyakwazi ukuthi adile with those balls and also ama ground duels. That's what we need from a player that is going to force himself to improve, and also going forward is also a dawn for our opponents, because una 2 assists in 2 consecutive games. Solomons, he's injured, so angeke simbali. Maybe we can see a player like Frozler if kuba ne-emergency, if kungaba ne-injury, but I don't believe ukuthi ngaba khona. We hope for the best now. Asafake ama-negativity. Let's move to central midfield. In that central midfielder, we have to start with the CDM. Lebohang my boy, wenza sure ukuthi okusudla ama-ice, because you can see ukuthi he's playing like he has been there with Kaizer Chiefs for a while now. But Malum my boy, he plays with everything that he has. He plays for the badge. He enjoys playing, because you can see from his technical ability ukuthi he's able to connect the defense with the attack. He can also do a follow-up when the team attacks, especially if he's paired with Dundlo, because he understands that he'll be there to cover for me. That's what you need in a team. That synergy, that's what will make Kaizer Chiefs to become a good team again. Let the players play for each other, not play to impress us as fans, because Tina, you impress us today, tomorrow are saying in the back, but your teammates will be your teammates. Google. And then for that CTM, you know, he's not that defensively sound, but for the fact that we are playing against teams that are finding it difficult to crack us in the middle of the park, because we are making it difficult for them with our ball retention. So that's why he's always the preferred choice in that CTM, because in the modern football, awudingi umuntu ozoba indluzula every time when uzofuna umuntu destroyer. But him being able to understand ukuthi special awareness, that's what you need. Positional, special, and then that's where you'll get the best out of a new CTM, that role that he's playing right now. And also him with Ndlovu, I believe that's a match made in heaven. But at some point, amanyama games ababadlalisi boy-2, you might wonder why. But mabayi-2 you can see okay, bayasebenzisana. Angeke ngisaye ku CM position, because already sengikhulumile ngoNdlovu, a box to box player that can give you 100% attacking and also defending, and also making sure he controls and regulates the tempo of the game. That's what you get from Ukacheni. Yabo, he is competing with Ungcobo, with Ucele, but whenever he gets an opportunity, when just show ukuthi he delivers. But kwamanye ama games nokumbona ukuthi akusulo Ukacheni lona sitshela ukuthi ubuya benyathi, maybe ubuya benyinto singabazi, but asikho lapho. Attacking midfielder, I just love how he managed to bounce back from all the criticism. I believe Guti, he is the right player to play for Kaizer Chiefs. But if you are sharp mentally, everything will be smooth for you at Chiefs, because you understand what are the expectations. He scored, he assisted in the last 2 games. So that's what matters now. Let him continue to try by all means as improve in terms of finishing, in terms of decision making. Yabona wayibamba lapho, I believe he can go to a point whereby he can become one of the influential players for Kaizer Chiefs, one of the players that they can rely on as young as he is. Banga improve lapho awuqedile. Left winger yeah, that's where ibanzima, because Umodi, he was not involved, and word outside there they say ukuthi similar ukuthi indaba zama contract ukuthi even though kusalindwe ucoach but naye kumele azibonakalise ukuthi uyayifuna le contract extension. So yile ndaba lezo, that's why singambonanga against i-TS Galaxy. But uVelebha is also naye a player that I don't think ukuthi he has been polished in such a way ukuthi now uzokwazi ukuthi kube iplayer singarely kuyo, because you can see ukuthi kusesenama decision asabheda wayenzayo, kusesekhona i-improvement ebele ibe khona. So obvious ku left winger kuzoba uLilepo, bese ku striker kube uFlavio Silva. I believe ukuthi if they feed him, he's gonna score goals. But okwamanje asirely kuye sibheke ukuthi upattern, because if he's not the threat, uLilepo is the threat. That's what you need in a club. Kuti ama opponent anga relax, azi ukuthi yeah baphethe abagadle labantu. And also ke ku right winger, I think bazobuya ngaye uWandile Duba, because naye he offers something at Chiefs that you wouldn't notice if you are looking at ama stats. But if you look at the performance, you would see okay, he drops, he plays as a false striker at some point so that he draws attention to himself, so that players like Abomdudu Shabalala, Lilepo can be free. So you can see okay, irole yakhe, it is dead. He's tasked to do that. But ngaphezu kwalokho, what is more important okay, let's see will he grow in terms of confidence, because he has 2 goals already. So that counts for something.